Hi everyone, I'm Barbie Wong, and I'm so excited about my upcoming class, Secrets to Successful Music Lessons. It's something that's actually near and dear to my heart because I'm both a music teacher and a parent. And I've done so much research into this topic. I've read everything I can about musical development in children. I've done tons of teacher training, and I've also looked into research on things like how do you find a great music teacher, and about longevity in terms of being able to make music for life, and what happens in a person's childhood that really sets them up for that kind of success. So in this class, we're going to talk about a lot of things, such as what does successful music lessons actually look like? What does it mean? How do you find a great teacher? Where exactly do you find these wonderful teachers? And then how do you work with them effectively to ensure that your child gets the best musical education possible? So I hope you'll join me. You can come and you can ask questions, connect with other parents, and I think we're going to have a great time. All right, so I hope I see you soon.